In this video, I'll show you how to fix waiting for network on WhatsApp using iPhone. So if you're frequently getting the waiting for network error on the WhatsApp, then don't worry. Here is how you can fix the problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to fix waiting for network error, before you do anything, make sure to check out your internet connection. Swipe down for the very top and then press and hold the internet slider here. And if you're using Wi-Fi, then switch your network to a stable cellular data connection. Or if you're still using the cellular data, then connect your network to a stable Wi-Fi connection and see if that fixes your problem or not. And also you can enable the airplane mode for let's say 10 to 20 seconds. Turn it off this option. This will actually slightly restart the network system and most likely your problem is going to be solved. But doing this, if it doesn't fix your problem, then follow the next process. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on general here and then scroll down, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh and make sure to select the Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then get back from here and then scroll down to the bottom and make sure to enable the WhatsApp from here as well. And then get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on apps and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the WhatsApp here. And make sure to enable the live activities. If it's toggled off, go ahead and enable this feature and then get back from here and restart your iPhone once. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.